How should I incorporate from SEO perspective the names of brands or appliances in general into an appliance repair lead gen website or potentially also a GBP? Well, if it's on the website where you can inject schema, you can reference those brands and even specific models for brands or of brands in the schema, right? You can reference that stuff, knows about, that kind of stuff in schema, and you can reference all of that. Also, if you're linking, remember, you can also reference, like, you could say these, put a table in the page on the money site, or even on, let's just say the money site to begin with, but you could, on the money site, on the appliance repair page or whatever it is that you've created, you could have a table or an accordion menu or something like that where you list the brands that we service. Boom. There you go. It's very simple, very easy to do, right? So you've got mentions of those in two places now on the money site, schema, and then in contextually within the main content body of the page, which again, you can hide that behind, and I don't mean like totally hide it, but you can put it behind a tabbed menu or accordion menu or whatever you want so that it's not cluttering up the page if you so choose. But now you're referencing brands in two places in the code that the public doesn't see through the schema, and then on the page itself. That's clear. If it's going to be the Google Business Profile, now that we're losing GB websites, I would have said reference them on the GB website as well, but you can still publish posts as far as I know. So what I would do is reference, I would publish Google Business posts where you say, looking for appliance repair in city name or neighborhood name, however granular you want to get. We service all brand name appliances. If you're having trouble with brand name appliances, contact us and we'll, whatever. You understand? So again, Google Business Posts, now you can reference individual brands and even model numbers within Google Business Posts. And now that is direct contextual relevance built into the Google Business Profile. You can also, under products and services, you could also reference them in products and services in the GBP, right? You could have under services, appliance repair, but then you could have like Maytag repair, but wasn't the tagline of Maytag, this is dating me for sure, but wasn't the Maytag repairman always bored because they never called Maytag repair because Maytag never needed to be repaired? That was like the commercial series that was 30, 40 years ago now. But the Maytag repairman was always lonely and bored. Anyway, I'm just saying you could do that, Whirlpool, whatever. Put those in services and say, Maytag repair, Whirlpool repair, etc. You could even put individual model numbers if you wanted. I think that would be overkill, though, to be honest. Hopefully that's clear.